Hello, sports fans, and welcome to another edition and welcome to the Scott Sports 101 and Monday Night Football post-game show. Uh, were you ready for the football? The New England Patriots beat the Buffalo Bills 25-6 at Ralph Wilson Stadium in Buffalo. The Patriots kicked a field goal. Stephen Gostkowski from 25 yards out, and the kick was good, and the Patriots had the early 3-0 lead in the first. Buffalo had the ball at their 22-yard line and went 3 and out and had to punt. The Patriots kicked another field goal. Stephen Gostkowski from 40 yards out. The kick was good, and it was 6-0 Patriots at the end of the first quarter. The Bills had the ball at their 32-yard line and went 3 and out and had to punt. The Patriots had the ball at their 38-yard line, and they tried to get into the scoring range, but they settled. They kicked another field goal. Stephen Gostkowski from 38 yards, and the kick was good, and it was 9-0 Patriots, second quarter. The Bills had the ball at their 25-yard line and tried to get into scoring range, but the Bills kicked a field goal again. Stephen Hauschka from 47 yards out, and the kick was good, and it was a 9-3 Patriots lead. The Patriots had the ball at their 25-yard line, and they had 10 plays, but they were not able to make any of them count and get into scoring range. And the Pats kicked another field goal, but it was missed, and it was 9-3 Patriots at halftime. In the third, the Bills had the ball at their 11-yard line, but went 3 and out and had to punt. The Patriots had the ball at their 5-yard line, but after 3 plays and had to punt, they went 3 and out and had to punt. The Bills kicked another field goal. Stephen Hauschka from 51 yards out, and the kick was good. And it was 9-6 Patriots third quarter. The Bills had the ball at their 20-yard line, but the Bills fumbled the ball, and the Pats recovered, and the Buffalo 29, and the Pats kicked a field goal. Stephen Gostkowski from 25 yards out. Kick is good, and the kick was good, and it was a 12-6 Patriots lead. The Bills had the ball at their 25-yard line. They made 5 plays, but went 3 and out and had to punt. And it was a 12-6 Patriots lead at the end of the third quarter. To the fourth quarter we go. The Patriots scored a touchdown thanks to Brady's pass to James White up the middle for a 1-yard touchdown, and it was 18-6 Pats lead. Then the Bills had the ball at their 25-yard line, but it was intercepted by the Patriots, and it was a pick six by Devin McCourty, and he ran it in for the touchdown, and the extra point was good, and it was a 25-6 Patriots lead. And then the Bills had the ball again at their own 25-yard line, and after 3 plays, had to punt and went 3 and out again. And it was a turnover on downs. They turned it over on downs. That's what happened. And the Pats had the ball at their own 25 and went 3 and out and forced a punt. The Bills in the final 2 minutes of the ball game had the ball at their 30, but they forced another turnover on downs and had to punt. And all the Pats had to do was take a knee and run out the clock. The Patriots win 25-6 over the Bills. They go to 6-2. The Bills to 2-6. Well, I'm going to do it. The Bills for quarterback Derek Anderson, 22 of 39, 290 yards, no touchdowns, 1 interception. Nathan Peterman, 2 of 2 carries and attempts, 23 yards, no touchdowns, no interceptions. Tom Brady, 29 of 45 carries and attempts, 324 yards. Cardell Patterson, 10 carries, 38 yards, no touchdowns, no interceptions. James White, 8 carries, 15 yards, 1 touchdowns, no interceptions. And Julian Edelman, 2 carries, 13 yards, no touchdowns, no interceptions. And Tom Brady, you get the game ball, and so does Cordell Patterson. You get a game ball. James White as well, and you get a game ball, and Julian Edelman. Boy, what a wild, and I mean wild week of football in Week 8. And it's in the books. And My brother-in-law won this week's picks. He went 11-3, goes to 5-3-3, and I lost. I was 10-4, and I go to 2-5-3. And we're gonna Thursday night. Be sure to tune in for Thursday night football. The Oakland Raiders and the San Francisco 49ers will square off. I think it's in San Francisco, I believe. Check me if I'm wrong. For Sunday night, the Packers and the Patriots will square up. I think it's in Foxborough. I'll have to check that. And next Monday night, the Dallas Cowboys and the Tennessee Titans will square off on Monday Night Football next week. So we should have some great games over there. But what a game! Just Buffalo just could not get it together. New England just had their number tonight, and it just was not a good night for the Buffalo Bills. But New England gets the win, 25-6. New England that second half, New England just came on strong. So that's why you gotta give credit to where credit is due. So I gotta give it to the Patriots, and they just really dominated that game tonight. So you have to give credit to where credit is due. So, well, that is going to wrap it up for the Scott Sports 101 Monday Night Football postgame show. I'll be back with a regular broadcast on Wednesday, and then tune in for Thursday Night Football pregame show before the kickoff at 8:15. And I'll have the postgame show after the Oakland San Francisco game has concluded. But until then, always remember, be a team player each and every day in every way possible. So long, everybody. 3, 2, 1. I'm done.